Hey, welcome to this course on assembly language. If you've ever wondered how software really talks to the hardware, this is where it all starts. Assembly is a low-level programming language that sits just above machine code. It gives you direct control over the CPU registers, memory, and instructions so you can see exactly what your program is doing, step by step. Learning assembly isn't about writing big applications. It's about understanding how computers actually work under the hood. Concepts like memory management, stacks, calling conventions, and performance make a lot more sense once you see them in assembly. In this course, we'll start from the absolute basics. You don't need prior assembly experience. I'll walk you through the instruction set, registers, and syntax, and then we'll build small programs to reinforce each concept. This knowledge is especially useful for fields like cybersecurity, reverse engineering, operating systems, and performance-critical programming. By the end of this course, assembly won't feel mysterious or impossible. It'll feel logical and powerful. If you're ready to understand computers at a deeper level, let's get started.